Hey there, how are you all doing today? I am back to this round. This is the same round that came to a tragic end on the video that cut out. That painting did not fare so well. And there. I wish I had better words to say, but it didn't make it. And I thought about lying to all of you and being like, oh yeah, it ended up great, but decided I better own up to it. It was a gorgeous pour and I lost it. Just did not have it together in the middle. So just never could get it together. So we're gonna start all over again. But I am again going to use colors that are sort of not my usual. It's got aqua green, Artist Loft. Got phthalo green. This is, oh my goodness, it is so bubbly. I just shook this up. I shook the white and then I mixed it. So hopefully this is okay. This is the Metallic Midnight Blue and white. And then this is phthalo blue. And I was going to put a touch of copper, but now that I'm looking at it, copper doesn't seem to go very well with that. Let me see what else I've got in here. Maybe. What is our pewter zinc situation? Pewter zinc may be the way to go. Let me stir this and see where it's at. No, that's not either. Thought I had this all ready. Let's see about the gray situation. Or silver. Ooh, no. Maybe I'll just do those four. And I lost my paper towel. Yeah, so those four. I feel like I should have another color though. Let's toss this in. It's bright, it's cheery. The only one of these that has silicone is this one. I mixed them all with Floetrol and water. A couple days ago, I just did a paint mixing video. So for those of you that need a little help with that, go on over and watch that. And you can come on back or just watch this and then go watch it. So I'm going to layer these. This is 2 ounces. And I'm just going to layer like a little bit. Just go. Got butcher paper down here, and it reacts a little differently than freezer paper. Well, so far it's looking good. Which is good. I really love that blue. I'd even mix that copper up special, even though I don't even like copper. I was like, ooh, something different. So I went out to dinner tonight. My birthday is Saturday. So I went out to dinner and we went to, for burgers at Smitty's Garage. I don't know where else in the States Smitty's Garage is, but it's like kind of fast food, but you sit down and you have a server who brings your alcohol to you. It is really good burgers. So that is a very pretty flip cut. Oh my goodness. Ow. Oh jeez. Well, of course, it's an Ian video. Why wouldn't she have smashed wood right on her arm? Ow. Oh, look. That might swell a little. Where would I be though? You know, really, it's part of who I am by now. I knew I was losing the grip. I should have just caved in, but I did not want to lose the paint. I'd rather have a bruise. It's how dedicated I am. Yeah. How'd you break your wrist? Painting? Really? What do you paint? Canvases, acrylics, you know. Manual labor. Oh, look, it's really starting to swell up a little there. So there's a PayPal me button if you want to help defray the medical costs. Just kidding. Oh, too close to the side. Right, that's going to be an annoying sound, but it'll go away soon. Very nice. All right. So far, so good. Look how pretty the flip cup still is. Very pretty. I think I did good with the color choices. I'm really glad I put in that yellow lime green, whatever it is. So I'm just going to start off tilting very gently. And in fact, I'm going to do it so gently. I'm just going to turn it little by little and tilt. I'm thinking. I don't want to have to tilt too much, which is why I am adding this extra paint around the edges. Kind of tilting towards you now. I'm actually going to tilt backwards a little bit. Kind of want to raise the color up. On the edges, just kind of covering, getting the paint to go over them. So I'm just picking up paint from that has dripped off. Ooh, there's a bunch right there. There's a big whole area right here. All right. So now that I've got the edges taken care of, okay, wipe my hands off. And check out up top what's going on. Do some torching. Got some really pretty cells. I'm going to torch a little more, see if I can get some more over on this side. Look at those. Look at the phthalo blue coming up. Is that not gorgeous or what? Trying, hoping it doesn't all drip off the sides. Okay, I don't think it's too thick. I think it will be fine. Just fixing up some edges. I wish this hadn't gotten so like this. But no. That's a little better. Oh my gosh, they are all sliding off. That's going to be the problem. The cells get so loose. And this isn't the most level, but I will move it. I will be moving it to a level surface. This is super cool. I like it. I better get it moved to a level surface quite quickly. Look at how cool that is. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will catch you next time. Bye.